What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with a quick update video, and I want to share my thoughts about the upcoming Google Pixel 5a. We've gotten exclusive information from Jon Prosser from Front Page Tech. Right here I have the Pixel 4a, so this is really the successor to this, but also actual successor to the Pixel 4a 5G. So without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so Pixel 5a. Here we go. I wanted to put up some images of it and kind of compare it to the Pixel 4a and Pixel 4a 5G, which is actually, it's going to be the real successor, I think, to the Pixel 4a 5G. So it looks like we're going to be getting it on Thursday, August 26th, which is the launch date for the Pixel 5a, and it's going to only be available physically in Google stores or online from the Google store. So it looks like it won't be through any carriers as of right now. Looking at the Pixel 5a, also specs have leaked, but when we look at the images of the leaked Pixel 5a and the renders, it looks very similar to the Pixel 4a 5G, and that's kind of what it really is. So here are the specs. The color is obviously mostly black, so it's probably going to come in the same color as the Pixel 4a 5G. Display is 6.4 inches, up from 6.2 with the Pixel 4a 5G and 5.8 from the Pixel 4a. 60 hertz, or you can force it to 90 hertz, so it's no variable refresh rate. It's either 60 or 90, so that's a plus. 6.4 is, as of right now, until the Pixel 6 Pro and 6 come out, it's going to be the largest display Google has ever put in a smartphone. The processor is a Snapdragon 765G, which is the same one found in the 4a 5G and the Pixel 5. It's a good processor. It's not the latest and greatest, the Snapdragon 888, but that is okay. Then we're getting a battery capped at 4,650 milliamp hours. Pixel 4a 5G was around like the 3800s, and the Pixel 5 was, I believe, 4,000. So this is going to be even a larger battery, which is great. No wireless charging and 6 gigs of RAM with the Pixel 5a. Now, according to Jon Prosser, he has been told that the Pixel 5a will be using the same camera as the Pixel 5 from last year. Great camera, obviously not the newest lenses, but super good camera. That's because of mostly computational photography and what Google does. Awesome. IP67 rated, so for those of you who are looking for a little bit of water resistance with a Pixel device, there you go. Pixel 5a is going to have that, as well as a headphone jack right there, as well as a headphone jack. Headphone jack is literally going to go extinct at this point, but it's great that Google is adding that to their mid-range. Now, the listed retail price that Jon Prosser states is $450 for the Pixel 5a, and it's only going to be sold in Japan and the US. Now, $450, this is $350 right here, the Pixel 4a. The Pixel 4a 5G was $499. Now, $450, obviously it's more than this, but it's less than the Pixel 4a 5G, and you're getting better specs. You're getting that force 90 hertz. You're getting a larger battery, a larger display. Obviously, you're not getting wireless charging, but I think it's not too bad. Yes, it's not the $350 we got with the Pixel 4a, but I think it's better. It seems like it's going to be a better package than the Pixel 4a 5G. So, and it's going to cost less than the 4a 5G. I think that right there is already a good buy. A lot of people are like, oh man, $450 is kind of, it's a little too much, but I think it's not that bad, and I think it's going to perform fairly well. You're going to be getting stock Android with Android 12 coming very soon. I have the Android 12 beta on my Pixel 4a and my Pixel 4, so if you want to check out those videos, leave some links in the description down below, as well as just check out my channel. You'll find a lot of Pixel 4a and Pixel 4 videos and Android 12 videos as well. So having Android 12 with the new Pixel 5a is going to be sweet. I mean, I love this whole new Material U. It's just super clean. It's super great. I absolutely love it. And Jon Prosser states that these are finalized details for that device. So we're just waiting for official confirmation from Google themselves. But there you have it. That is the Pixel 5a. My thoughts, I think it's going to be great. I will definitely be picking one up for the channel, and definitely be reviewing, comparing with the Pixel 4a, the Pixel 4, and if it's worth it for you guys. As of right now, with these details, I think it's going to be a very compelling device, a very great device. I put out my Pixel 4a 1 year later video, my review, my thoughts and opinions about this device, and the question was, is this device worth it for everyone? You know, can anyone use the Pixel 4a? And the answer is yes. Anyone can use this. It is a super easy device to use, super clean, super compact, great camera, great battery life. It's just a super compact device that everyone can, I think, use. Now, will everyone use it? No, that's a different story. But can everyone use it? Is everyone able to use it? Yes. And I think the Pixel 5a is going to be like that. Granted, it has a larger display, so that might kind of throw off some people who don't like larger displays, who like more compact devices like the Pixel 4a or something like the iPhone 12 mini. But anyway, that's been it for me. I think it's going to be a great device. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video and subscribe to the channel, as it does help out a lot and will help push my content out to more viewers. Anyway, that's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.